Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to send a video message on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to send video message on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after that open the chat box of the person to whom you want to send the video message to. And on this interface you can see at the bottom of the screen there is the camera icon available for us on the message bar. Now in order to proceed to send the video message, tap on the camera icon over here and this kind of interface will appear. And we are on the photo section currently, and you can see the video section over here where you will be able to record a video or upload a video from over here. At the bottom left guys, you can see from here you will be able to upload your video, and you can also see the bottom right side there is the icon for rotating your camera. Select or tap on the camera icon over here and record a video which you want to send to your friend, and after that recording that you can do a little bit of editing over here if you want to. And after that tap on the airplane icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then that video message will be sent on WhatsApp like this guys. And guys, this is how to send video message on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.